Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're just going to be making a watch list for the week of May 5th. Today, we're just going to keep it really short. I want to discuss this trade first of all. We had a Starbucks breakout. I was not able to play this out. This was the first, I saw it last week. This was one of the first swing trades I was looking at. We got a bullish indicator on my indicators, and I got a long on the same day. If you were able to catch this, it was a $14 move, which would have been insane. We broke out of this downward channel. I missed it, but we're looking for similar trades like this. So with the first one, we're going to look at Microsoft. So Microsoft, we got a long candle a few days ago and a bullish on the MACD. I'm looking for maybe a continuation up until towards the 320 area. I know Microsoft contracts have been kind of skewed with all the action about AI and all that news stuff coming out, but 320, if the contracts look nice and cheap, or maybe even 325, 330, depending on what the contracts open up at. I would also like to mention that we are on a huge upward trend in the market. Be careful when you're playing longs, because anytime in this market you can get pulled and rugged. If you look at SPY has been going nuts recently. Another thing, we got a long on SPY. I'm looking for a bullish MACD before I enter any long position for the long term. But Microsoft was looking very longable. Another one that we're going to talk about right now is Disney. Disney is one of those stocks where it was kind of got beat up. This was an earnings thing. It kind of got beat up on earnings. But with earnings coming up, I'm looking up for a run up into earnings. So the MACD has been bearish, but it really wasn't dropping much, and it stayed above the 0.0 line, which shows a lot of buyers stepping in. We got a long symbol underneath the last candle in the daily chart, and the MACD is looking to curl back up. We can look for another week or two of continuation to the upside. I don't really want to play earnings though. If you want to play earnings, I'd be bullish on Disney. Netflix did very well on earnings. However, Netflix didn't really. They missed. No, they didn't miss. That was last earnings. I lied. They did well on earnings. They dropped though, but I think Disney will probably do well. I'm looking to long Disney. All Disney contracts I know for sure are cheap, but because of earnings coming up, they might be a little bit more expensive. I'm looking to take Disney all the way up to 110 area. It looks very longable. This chart was really beat up. This chart was very beat up. We broke out of it. I'm looking to long it. Another thing we're going to look at is CNC. CNC, we got the long symbol a few days ago and the bullish MACD. This was Thursday, yeah. Thursday bullish MACD. We had earnings. They did pretty well on earnings. They kind of got sold off. I'm looking for a hold over the 69.80 area, 70 area. I'm looking for a hold over that area before I enter longs. However, it's looking like one of those Disney positions where we're just going to be able to play the upside after this huge channel downward got broken. The MACD is curling upwards. We have a long way to go on this chart to get back to levels that we were at a few months ago. Another swing position I want to look at is Merck. I was in this Merck position for a while. I'm still in it. We got this long indicator on Merck this was in March. I was in this position since March, and the way we use this is, look, we got a short indicator, but it didn't necessarily line up with the bearish indicator, as it came after the bearish indicator on the MACD. So we're not going to enter the bearish indicator, and also this was off of earnings, so we don't necessarily believe the short because we know it's news based. MACD is bearish for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. It's been bearish for 6 days. It's looking to curl back up. I know we are around a really overbought MACD. However, this is a slow moving stock. I can't look. If you look at previous MACDs, we got all the way up to 4 before we started selling off. I'm looking to long this all the way up until that 120 level, 122.5. But yeah, this was a simple trade. I'm still in it. We're looking for those plays like Starbucks. This was a huge play. I missed it. However, I'm looking for another one like that. If you guys are going to be following these trades, let me know. Drop a comment if you're going to follow these trades. If you guys watch the video and you guys like the content, drop a like, drop a subscribe. Every little thing helps. I'll see you guys in the next video. Next video is going to be a quick video about Bollinger Bands, and that'll be coming out really soon too. Peace.